Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to mark your entire Gmail inbox as read. First, open any preferred browser. You can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like. In the address bar, type mail.google.com and hit enter. This will take you to the Gmail sign-in page. Sign into your Gmail account with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, all of your received emails will be displayed on the screen. Next, we need to filter out the unread emails. To do this, go to the search bar at the top of the page. In the search bar, type is:"unread. Then press the enter key on your keyboard. This search will display all the unread emails in your inbox. Now, to select these emails, click on the small arrow icon beside the checkbox at the top left corner of your email list. A drop-down menu will appear. Click on All from this menu. At this point, only the first 50 unread emails will be selected. To select every unread email in your inbox, look for the Select All Conversations that match this search embed that appears at the top of the email list. Click on this link. This will select all of the unread emails in your inbox, not just the first 50. Finally, to mark all the selected emails as read, click on the Open Envelope icon at the top of the email list. Clicking this will mark all the selected emails as read. So that's basically how you can mark your entire Gmail inbox as read. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.